Welcome back. Suspended Samajwadi Party legislator Mahendra Kumar Singh is out on bail, but police has not been able to nab mastermind Baldev alias Manohar yet. MLA Singh had pleaded that he was just watching dance performance when the police arrested him. But investigation has revealed that 2 out of the 6 girls who were rescued on that night are habitual offenders and were rescued on previous occasions in flash trade cases.
जो भी गोवा में आता है क्या यही करने आता है? हमारी ये उम्र है, हमारी कमर झुकी है, स्पेंडोलाइटिस है, 55 साल की उम्र है, हार्ट पेशेंट हूँ, मेरी इस दशा पे और ये हुआ हो रहा मेरे साथ में।
Suspended Samajwadi Party MLA Mahendra Kumar Singh might be clamoring off his age to defend the charges under Immoral Trafficking Act, but the history of some rescued girls with him are putting him under scanner. During the interrogation, MLA Mahendra Kumar Singh had told that those girls were just dancers and they were assembled at the hotel Viva Goa just to watch dance. But Panji police has learned that a girl native of Mumbai was also rescued before by Kalangut police, while another girl, a native of Chhattisgarh, was also rescued by local police there. Panji police has not come on a final conclusion about the motive behind bringing these girls in Goa because middleman Baldev alias Manohar is still absconding. Panji police has issued a fresh summon to MLA Singh to appear before them on September 15th. According to sources, if Panji police fails to nab Baldev soon, they can move court for cancellation of his bail. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
CM has proposed permanent farmers markets along the national highways to sell vegetables. The work would commence by November this year. Meanwhile, vegetable vendors and shopkeepers have complained of less customers due to inflation and mining ban.
Chief Minister inaugurated Netrawali Matoli Bazaar at Lohia Maidan in Margaon on Friday. Government plans to develop villages through the Atal Gram Yojana. Netrawali is the pilot village under this Yojana. Parikar said 2 more villages on the lines of Netrawali will be developed as model villages in this state.
आणि दक्षिण गोंयांत एक अशे 2 आनीक गांव घेवपाची इच्छा आसा ह्याच मॉडेलाचेर. म्हणजे महत्वाचे गजाल हे मॉडेल सक्सेसफूल करपाची जबाबदारी सगळ्या अधिकाऱ्यांची येता, तशी तुमची येता. हे एक गजाल. दुसरी गजाल आयज ही संकल्पना एकदम बरी आहा. आमी ही संकल्पना आमच्या बजेटान मांडल्या. ऑक्टोबर म्हयन्यापासून ह्या फार्मर्स मार्केट हो कॉन्सेप्ट गोंयान नॅशनल हायवेच्या सायडीक जावपाक सुरू जातलो. ऑक्टोबर एंडाक केन्ना तरी ना नोव्हेंबरान ताचें कामकाज सुरू जातलें म्हणजे बांदप. आणि जी रस्त्याचे कडेन तुमकां पळय ते हे बी घेवन बसलेले असतात काळंगां आनी कितें बारीक बारीक गोंयचे प्रोडक्ट तांकां एक परमनंट मार्केट तयार जातलो.
Chavath is just 1 day away. A significant aspect of Chavath is the Matoli. Bunches of cultivated and wild fruits and vegetables are hung on the Matoli. Everyone has a unique way for decorating Matoli. But due to inflation this year, the sale of vegetable and fruits has decreased.
महागाई वाढल्या खातीर गिरायक बी सारकें कमी जाल्लेलें आसा. त्या खातीर म्हणून म्हालूय कमी जाल्लो आसा. पूण चवथीक सारको एक नेट वचना दिसना, बाजाराक लोकूय दिसना आनी गिरायकूय ना.
गिरायक म्हणल्यार आज कमी आहा, म्हणल्यार अशें आज चवथच्या बाजाराक सारकें ना, ह्या वर्साक सारकें ना, मातशें कमी आहा. पयलीं सारकें गिरायक कांय ना.
भाजी सवाय मातशी भायली म्हारग हे पळय वर गो बाय 20 रुपयांक 5
आणि आईच्या बिझनेसवर बोला कितें.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklaw distributed mining package sanction letters to 52 mining dependents. Altogether 87 dependents were due for letters. Rest will get them after Chavath. MLA Ticklaw said that electricity problem of Aldona will be solved. 75 electricity poles are erected and fixtures will be provided to the people by Chavath.
Mining affected लोकांक आयज आमी sanction letter दिल्ले आसा आनी सगळे 50 आनी 2 मेळ्ळे आसा आनी बाकीचे चतुर्थी उपरांत सीएमान आमकां सांगले आसा ते मेळटली. टोटल 87 आसले आनी आमचे ऑनरेबल सीएमान सांगून उपरांत इमिजियटली ताणें आमकां ते आमच्या लोकांक चर्चेचे पयलीं दिले कित्याक आयज लोकांक चड गरज आसा लोकांचे खूब त्रास जाल्ले आसा ताचे कुटुंब मायनिंगा खातीर पोंबुर्फा वेलोटीम आनी सगळे प्रोजेक्ट आमी पोल्स ऑलरेडी इरेक्ट केले आसा ऑल टुगेदर ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 75 पोल्स एंड फाटल्या दिसांनी मिटींग घेतलेली हें आतां काम 5 दीस जाले 5 days बॅक हे सगळे आमी पोल्स इरेक्ट केल्ले आसा आनी कंडक्टर्स आनी फाल्यां टील चतुर्थी पयलीं सगळे फिक्चर बी सगळे तब्यतूर सगळे लोकांक आमी प्रॉमीस केल्लें पळय तें आमी सगळे आमचे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ पावर ताणें आमकां खूब फुडाकारी घेवन आमकां हे सगळे पोल्स अबाउट 75 पोल्स आमी आमचे मतदारसंघान नालदोना कोरजुये पोंबुर्फा आमी की आतां अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग जातले आनी फाटीं मेन्शन केलें 1.6 किलोमिटर आनी खूब आनी म्हाका खूब विश्वास आसा की आमचे ऑनरेबल सीएमान उतर दिल्लें आनी पावर मिनिस्टरान आनी हांव ताच्या फाटल्यान लागून आमचे लायटीचे प्रॉब्लम सारके तब्येतूर बरे भशेन लोकांक फुडें त्रास जावचे ना.
Life Insurance Corporation of India targets to sell about 100 crore policies by 2020. Its vision is to have a policy in Indians' pocket. Currently, LIC has a share of 83% in the Indian life insurance market.
We are having in our basket a product, nearly 52 products, but LIC goes on innovating the products. Products in existing shape will be available up to the 30th September. I think my branch people and everywhere, they are taking to the people that they should think it if they are going for having more products of this type right now. Our share is 83.24%. The nearest player is having the share is less than 4%. It is because the trust of the Indian people on LIC.
Life Insurance Corporation of India targets to sell about 100 crores of policy by 2020. Its vision is to have a policy in every pocket of the Indian. Currently, LIC has a share of 83% in the Indian life insurance market. LIC held its concluding function on Saturday. Various prizes were given to the winners of quiz and drawing competition. Accredited LIC agents were also felicitated during the function. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.